Most drivers see a warning light and immediately panic. The car hesitates, stalls, shifts rough, and the shop says $300 just to diagnose it. But here's the truth. Many of these problems are not mechanical failures. They're just confused computers. Modern cars run on software, and sometimes software just needs a reset. Today, I'm going to show you 11 simple reset tricks that cost nothing, take just minutes, and could save you hundreds, even thousands of dollars. Let's start with one of the easiest. Reset number 1. Ignition key cycling. A warning light suddenly appears. Before you rush to a mechanic, try this. This works especially well on cars like Toyota Camry, Honda Accord, Ford F-150, Chevy Malibu, Nissan Altima. Here's how. Turn the key to on. Don't start the engine. Wait for dashboard lights to finish. Turn it off. Repeat this 3 to 5 times slowly. Then start the engine. This forces the ECU to reboot and resync. You might see warning lights disappear instantly. But remember, if you hear strange noises or see flashing lights, don't use this. That's a real issue. Reset number 2. Battery disconnect reset. This one is powerful, but only if done correctly. Many people try it and fail. The mistake? They don't drain the leftover power. Here's the correct way. Turn off the ignition, disconnect negative first, then positive, press and hold the brake pedal for 30 seconds, wait 20 minutes, reconnect positive first, then negative, start the car and let it idle for 10 minutes. This clears corrupted adaptive memory like fuel trims, idle settings, transmission behavior. Warning: you may lose radio settings or security codes. Reset number 3. OBD2 scanner reset. Instead of guessing, spend $20 on an OBD2 scanner. Steps: plug into the port under the dashboard, turn ignition on, read and save the codes, clear them, start the car. This clears only the fault, not your settings. Never clear codes if the engine is misfiring or flashing warnings appear. Reset number 4. Throttle body relearn. If your car idles rough, hesitates, feels sluggish, it might not be broken. It just lost calibration. Steps: turn ignition on, don't start, 30 seconds. Turn off, 30 seconds. Start engine, let idle for 10 minutes. You may see RPM fluctuation. That's normal. Reset number 5. Pedal throttle reset. This one fixes delayed acceleration. Steps: ignition on, wait 3 seconds, press and release pedal 5 times in 5 seconds, wait 7 seconds, hold pedal down 10 seconds, release, wait 10 seconds, turn off, then start car. Result: smoother throttle response. Reset number 6. Soft ECU drain. This is a hidden pro trick. Steps: disconnect both battery terminals, connect them together, not the battery, wait 10 minutes, reconnect properly, wait 10 minutes, clear the codes, reconnect, start the car, and drive normally. Reset number 7. Built-in menu reset. Many modern cars already have reset options. Just go to Settings, Vehicle, Maintenance, Reset. Simple, safe, free. Reset number 8. Transmission reset. If your car shifts hard, late, or weird, try this. Ignition on, press brake, shift through all gears slowly. Stay in drive for 30 seconds, return to park, start and drive gently. Reset number 9. Idle air control reset. For rough idle, start car, everything off, idle for 5 minutes. Turn on AC and headlights, idle 5 more minutes. Drive normally. Reset number 10. Airbag light reset. That scary airbag light? Try this. Turn ignition on. When the light turns off, turn ignition off immediately. Repeat 3 to 4 times. If it stays off, it was just a glitch. Reset number 11. Fuel trim reset. If fuel economy drops, your ECU may be using bad data. Steps: disconnect battery for 30 minutes, reconnect, idle for a few minutes, drive at mixed speeds.
Result? Better MPG, smoother throttle, stronger acceleration. Here's the truth. Not every problem needs a mechanic. Not every warning light means a broken part. Sometimes your car just needs a reset. If this saved you money, hit like, subscribe, comment which reset worked for you. And remember, reset first, repair second.